like to discuss with you the wellness program which we are going to conduct here. See, nowadays in fast-paced life, we have forgotten an important aspect, that is our health. And because of that, many of our friends, our employees are being hit by the issues like spondylitis, backache, stress-related issues and all those things. Because of this, the productivity of the employees and the family members and all those things are being hit, and it's being decreased a lot. So today I would like to discuss with you some basic stretching exercises which would help you to get rid of all these ailments. Also, these exercises are being done at your workstation only. You do not have to move any of out of the place of your workstation. So we will start with the things. So it's like a full body stretching exercises. Okay. So if you have any queries, please let me know at that particular time. And also, you have to take care of something like you have to take care. All the things should be done slowly. You do not have to move fast. So because it's initial days, you have to take care. So I'll start with mine. You have to do in front of your, make hands in this motion. Okay. And rotate clockwise 5 times. And 5 times anti-clockwise. So right hand will move anti-clockwise, left hand will move clockwise in this manner. You can see easily. Okay, 5 times. Slowly. So it will help you in relieving the pain if you have CTS, corpus tunnel syndrome, because for about 8 to 9 hours on an average, the IT personnel or other guys are sitting and doing just clicking the mouse with the right hand or left hand. Okay. So because of this, the corpus tunnel syndrome can occur, and it is or a tennis elbow can occur. So other than this, I would like to move to the other exercise, that is make a cup of your fingers. Okay, like this. Great. And try to touch your shoulder slowly 5 times. You will feel stress in your biceps. Now go in this manner. Great. Now touch shoulder again. 2, 3 times. You can close your eyes so that you will get rid of your stress. Forget every other thing. The only truth is that we are doing these exercises. Okay, 5 times. Great. Okay. So third exercise I would like to go with shoulders. Make a cup like this. Touch your fingers and try to touch your shoulder. Make a distance between you and your colleague. And try to rotate 3 times clockwise. Slowly. 3 times clockwise. 3 times clockwise. Means front. So many of our guys, we are sitting for a long time. Because of that, we have frozen shoulders and all those things. So this will allow the circulation of the blood in this body part. Okay. The next exercise I would like to go with for lower back. Go take your hand in this manner and touch. Knuckles touch. Yes. Knuckles. Yes. Knuckles. Yes. Great. Now try to touch your chest with your fist. So you will feel stress 5 times. Make it 5 times. Slowly try to touch your fist with your chest. So you will feel stress in your lower back, means middle back. So you can see. And while squeezing, take a deep breath. Yeah. Do. Okay, do slowly 5 times. Great. Thanks. And now, so we will move towards our lower back. So I will show you. You have to come in this position, like make a around shoulder width distance between your legs, like this. Yeah, and put your hands in your waist. Yeah, put your hands in your waist. So great. So I will do. It's just a rotatory motion. It's like a dance. So what I am doing, going right, going ahead, going left, going back. So it's a rotatory motion. 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Okay? So do. I will show you again. Right, ahead, left, back. Okay? Right, do. Just concentrate. Concentrate here. Right, ahead, left, back. Slowly. 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Great. Great. You're doing really great. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Just try to concentrate on your motion. Yeah. Great. Okay? So next exercise I would like to share with you is for your knees, this one. So you will go, just hold this knees, like this you can see, and try to rotate. Try to rotate 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Slowly. Yeah. Slowly, slowly. 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 Great. Yeah. Great. So, yeah. So the next exercise will be for our feet. So hold something if you do not want to fall. So I am just holding the wall here. So you have to raise your leg and try to rotate your feet 3 times clockwise slowly and 3 times anti-clockwise. Yeah. Yeah. And same you have to do for your left leg also. And so while sitting, because we are sitting for a long time and we are not doing any strength exercise, so there is a chance that varicocele veins, which brings the blood from our heart to our lower limbs, get blocked because we are sitting. Because we are sitting for a long time, and because these veins are not able to bring, because what the thing is that the heart will pump the blood and it will push the blood to our lower limbs, and after that it will bring back, the varicose veins will bring back to our heart. But if you are sitting for long time, these valves can become bad. These veins become bad. So the swelling, it can happen, swelling can happen, like the power, like blood circulation or there certainly there will be a disease in your lower limbs. So you have to take care of your lower limbs also. Along with, I will go with the thighs. So you have to hold something or you will get fell down. So hold your feet with your hand and try to make stretch here. Yeah. It sounds basic, but it's really helps. So you can count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So you can do it for 3 times for both the legs. Later you can do the last exercise which I would like to share with you is the whole body stretch. So if you can see what I am doing, I am clasping my fingers together and try to stretch and see the motion, back motion, and going up, front motion, can you please look, see the motion, remember the motion, your feet will go up, body will go up, and you have to take a long breath, okay, and go, yeah. Take breath, because also I would like to share with you, yeah, just do it for 5 times. So yeah, so at last I want to share with you how to take the correct breathing, how to do correct breathing, because we have learned a very wrong manner to breathe. What we are doing, we are using our chest. This is wrong. What we have to do, we have to take, just see the child, any child. What they are doing, they are taking breath from your diaphragm and stomach. So the correct person, you can try at home at your ease while you are sitting. So you can put your hand in your stomach and one foot in your chest. So chest should not move, your stomach should move. See, this is diaphragm. There it will expand to get oxygen into lungs. Okay, what we are doing, we are expanding our chest. Chest does not contain those lungs. Because of that, we have problems, neck problems. It can make problems with your back and all those things. It's very hidden, it's very root cause, you can say, because I came to know while doing yoga and all those things. So you can try while lying at your home and while sitting. While sitting, I will show you. While you are working, what you have to do, you can see. While you are sitting, sit in this motion, in this posture, head straight, and foremost thing, your back should not be so erected, but it should not like in this manner. It should be in this manner. Also, just try this one. You can easily see what is the difference. So, with this message regarding breathing and stretching exercise, I would like to conclude this session. So, thanks a lot for being here and getting this, and let me know to help you to share this knowledge with you guys. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.